This video introduces how to install the ES207GS-PI-OD and ES207GS-AC-OD. The two outdoor switches are released by RG-ES and can be mounted on a pole or wall. This video introduces the procedures and precautions for the two mounting methods. Preparation. The ES207GS-PI-OD and ES207GS-AC-OD are delivered without a toolkit. Prepare the tools shown in the video. Device unboxing. After device unboxing, check whether all accessories are included. The accessories delivered with the device are shown in the video. Check whether the device's appearance is intact. Loosen two captive screws at the bottom of the device. Press the upper end and sides of the bottom cover and slide it off. Take a photo of this label before installation. After installation, scan the QR code on this label using RG-ES app to bind the device during initial setup. Power cord assembly. The ES207GS-PI-OD supports the DC power supply and power over Ethernet input using an Ethernet cable. Only one of them can be used at a time. Regardless of PoE input or DC power supply, the device must be connected to a grounding wire for proper operation. Therefore, the terminal block for the power cord must be assembled on site. When the DC power supply is used, strip the insulation from the positive, negative, and ground wires of the DC power cord. When the PoE input is used, strip insulation only from the grounding wire. Loosen the screws on the terminal block using a flat blade screwdriver. When the DC power supply is used, the positive, negative, and grounding wires of the power cord must be connected to the terminal block. When PoE input is used, connect only the grounding wire to the terminal block. The assembled power cords are shown in the video. The ES207GS-AC-OD uses 220V AC power supply. Strip the insulation from the power cord. Loosen the screws on the terminal block using a flat blade screwdriver. Connect the neutral, live, and grounding wires of the power cord to the terminal block, and then tighten the screws. The assembled power cord is shown in the video. Cable connection. Press the upper and side areas of the bottom cover and slide it off. Press the clip to open the upper cover. Lead the power cord, Ethernet cables, and optical cables through the cable holes at the bottom cover. Connect the cables to the corresponding ports. If the ES207GS-PI-OD uses the PoE input, it must be connected to an uplink power sourcing equipment, and an Ethernet cable must be connected to port 5 of the ES207GS-PI-OD. Remove the peelable silicone fillers based on the cable positions and quantity, and then secure the cables in the grooves. Close the cover, and arrange the cables to ensure correct positioning and proper sealing. Install the bottom cover and tighten the captive screws. Device installation. Pole mount. Take 2 hose clamps out of the accessories, and loosen the fastening screws on the clamps until their ends are disengaged. Thread the ends through the mounting holes on the rear of the device. Install hose clamps at appropriate positions on the pole. And tighten the screws on the hose clamps to secure the device. Wall mount. Place the supplied mounting bracket at a suitable position on the wall and mark the hole positions with a marker. Drill 4 holes at the marked positions, insert 4 expansion anchors into the holes, and secure the mounting bracket to the wall with 4 ST 4.2x 19mm screws. Align the rear mounting plate of the device with the mounting bracket and push the device downward to secure it in place. Installation acceptance. After the installation is complete and the switches are powered on, ensure that their power LEDs are solid green.